This is the finished product. I got the sweet potato fries and the wings, and these are bossing. I'm gonna go enjoy my meal now, so let me show you guys a bite. Take care. Bye. Hey lovelies, so today I'm gonna bring to you a what I eating a day video. I've done one of these before on my YouTube channel, so you guys can go down and check that out. I'm staying home today. It's a little bit gloomy outside. I have every excuse to stay in eating, so given the fact that I'm doing keto, it's best I cook at home. That way I can control the ingredients that I'm using, and so I don't go over with my carbs, and I'm also putting in enough protein and also veggies and fat. I got this set, by the way, from Pretty Little Thing, and a crop top, just like off the shoulder, comfy pants inside as well. So for breakfast I usually just start with a cup of coffee. As you can see, I like to have mine with some creamer, and this creamer that I'm using actually has less than 1 gram of carbs. And then after that, I just like to lounge around the place drinking my coffee and checking my emails, checking my analytics for YouTube and also TikTok and Instagram, all my social media platforms. So I just drink my coffee and enjoy my work. So I just got done with some work. Now I am hungry. I'm gonna now have my breakfast. I'm gonna have just a green juice for breakfast. In this green juice, I like to put spinach, kale, cucumber, chia seeds, and collagen. I also put just a packet of Splenda inside my green juice. Put this in my NutriBullet and I blend it all together until it has a very watery consistency. I also love to put ice cubes in this so that it is chilled and refreshing. I'll usually just have my glass of green juice, have some leisure times while I read a book. Alright, so I know that we're focusing on what I'm eating today, but I like to prep my breakfast for the next day in a mason jar, and it's just a keto oats. But I won't be using oats because that's a lot of carbs. I'll show you guys how I go ahead and make this, then I'll put it in the refrigerator and eat it tomorrow morning for breakfast. Quick and easy, very simple. I'm gonna just get the mason jar, some almond milk, yogurt, and then peanut butter. I usually use vanilla, but my vanilla broke last night, so this is all I have for now. And some Splenda. Now I'm gonna give that a mix. So I just mix this all out. This is gonna be super yummy. If my face looks crazy, it's because I'm on it today. And then I like to go in with a dash of cinnamon, and I just add that to this. Not a lot. I'm not a cinnamon girl anyway. And if you have nutmeg, you can use nutmeg. I don't have that. I have this keto caramel syrup, and I'm gonna add it to the jar itself so it looks a little pretty. Caramel syrup, and then I added the chia seeds to the mixture already, but I just did, forgot to show you guys. And then I'm just gonna pour it into this. This is what it looks like. That's gonna be breakfast tomorrow. I also have this vanilla swirl that I use in my coffee, and it's keto friendly as well. In the morning when I'm having it, I'm just gonna add some berries. I literally just added 3 to it, but in the morning when it's like all thick, I'm gonna add this to it as well. I don't have a mason jar lid, so I'm just gonna use oil paper. I have cling wrap, but it really doesn't matter what you use. So, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and I'll have this in the morning. So it's lunchtime and I'm starving, so I'm gonna make this keto friendly pizza from scratch at home. So of course I'm using my pita, and this is a low carb pita that I found at the supermarket, and I like to coat this with just some tomato sauce. It doesn't really matter, sometimes I really don't use any tomato sauce. Then I just add my caramelized seasoning that I sauteed, and I add that directly to the sauce alongside with cheese. And the topping for today is bacon, which I like to fry my bacon first just because I really don't like my bacon undercooked. So I just, you know, put it in the frying pan for a little bit. It can just get a little color, and then I like to chop it up and add it as well to the pizza. And of course we have this exquisite find, some turkey pepperoni, which we'll be adding as well because the toppings are vegetables, spinach, pepperoni, cheese, bacon, olives. And of course I'm going to add this to my air fryer. Of course I got this pizza cutter at the supermarket. This is so awesome. The olives, the pepper, the tomato. It's just really tasty. I know you guys want to see my dinner for today, but after that pizza I've been so full. I'm just gonna go to bed. I will definitely be showing you guys what I make for dinner tomorrow. Skip lunch tomorrow and just have dinner, and I'll show you guys what I have for dinner tomorrow so that it will just be in one video. So full today, I just can't go anymore. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at dinner time. Good night, bye. We're actually making some steamed broccoli and carrots with salmon. So broccolis are steaming, and also the carrot. I really love this combo, by the way, and I just seasoned it with some butter, salt, pepper and garlic. For the salmon, I'm just gonna put this in the air fryer for about 7 minutes. Oh my god, I'm literally out of foil paper. But for the salmon, it's already seasoned. It's in garlic and mustard sauce, but I'm just gonna add some paprika, some onion powder, black pepper, salt to this. Thank you, Jesus. Didn't spill out, so that's awesome. And it's so perfect, the skin came right off. And that's dinner. Listen, this food is bussing. I don't have any moisturizer on, so forgive me, but my dinner is so good. You guys have no idea. So yeah, I'm just gonna close out today's video. Sorry for looking so crusty, but I'm just not putting on any moisturizer until after. But my grandma's calling me. I just washed my face. I was allowing it to air dry. It's all set, but I want to have my dinner. So anyway, and we all know this is a safe space, right? I just feel so wholesome, like being on this health journey, and I really love being on this wellness journey because I just feel so lighter. And I feel like you cannot rely on anything or anyone to, you know, activate that best version of you. You have to rely on yourself, and that's what I'm doing. And so far it's been good. I love all the meals that I've been preparing. On keto, I get very super creative, even sometimes when I come out of ketosis, which I don't like to do, but I still eat clean. It's just maybe a little bit over with my carbs for like 2 days. But all in all, I just want to say, like, take care of you, take care of yourself. If you don't take care of you, then literally you can't expect anybody to take care of you. So people will literally treat you how them see that you treat yourself. If people see that you're kind to yourself, if people see that you are patient with yourself, then they will reciprocate that same energy from themselves to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with what I eat in a day. And I did have my Keto Oats jar this morning, and it was so good. I forgot to come on camera to share it with you guys, but it was so good. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, finish off my meal, and enjoy the rest of my evening. So until next time, babies, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys dearly to my heart, and take care. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.